Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Victorian outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hair and then you're going to make it all black and then combine it with this hair and you're going to make it black as well. And then for the toggle, just make it default and then put on this hat and you're going to color it like this. And then combine it with this hat, make it this color, and then you're going to put on this ribbon and make it this red color, and put on this earring, make it red and black. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top, and for this top I'm going to make it black. And then the next one, we're going to select this corset and then I'm going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. And I'm going to put on this corset and I'm going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection make it red. And I'm going to combine it with this one and then we're going to make it all black. Okay, just make it all black like this. Okay, and sorry guys, for this corset I'm going to make it toggle 1 and then I'm going to go to the next area. We're going to put on this heels and then I'm going to make it all black, okay, like this. And wait, let me go back because I forgot something from here. You can put on this gloves, this one, and then I'm going to make it short and I'm going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection just make it white. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this suit and I'm going to make it white for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it white, and for the third selection I'm going to make it black, and for the last selection I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to put on the curves item, choose the Sabrina Carpenter dress, and then we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, done. And oops, sorry, I'm going to go back and then I'm going to go to this menu again and we're going to put on this skirt and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection until the fourth selection. And for the last selection, I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the curves item and put on this, and I'm going to put on this ribbon and then I'm going to make it all black like this. And the last one, I'm going to put on this bag, and for the first selection make it white, for the second selection make it white, for the third selection make it white, and then for the last selection you're going to make it black. Okay, and finally you will have this Victorian look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.